If woodworking is your passion, you know the right tools can turn a good project into something extraordinary. From saving time to improving precision, the right gadgets make every step more enjoyable and efficient. That's why we've curated a list of 20 insane woodworking tools on Amazon that you'll seriously regret missing. Packed with clever innovations, high-precision devices, and multifunctional gear, these tools aren't just practical. They're designed to inspire creativity and take your craftsmanship to a whole new level. Get ready to upgrade your workshop like never before. Carpenter Pencil. The Carpenter Pencil set is a handy companion for every woodworker looking for precision and ease. Priced at just $9, it comes with 12 durable flat HB pencils, a retractable pen holder, and a universal sharpener. The sturdy graphite produces bold, break-resistant marks, while the flat design ensures a comfortable, secure grip. The retractable holder with a 24-inch cord keeps your pencil within reach, and the rust-proof sharpener with built-in stone adds extra convenience. This set boosts accuracy, efficiency, and organization, making woodworking projects smoother and more enjoyable. Shelf Pin Jig. The Shelf Pin Jig is an essential tool for woodworkers seeking precision and efficiency. Priced at $30, it's made from durable aluminum alloy and features 7 hardened drill guides for accurate, long-lasting performance. With this jig, you can drill 7 1/4-inch holes at perfect 1 and 1/4-inch spacing in a single pass, saving time on cabinets, shelves, and DIY projects. Its adjustable design accommodates various edge distances, and the included locating pin adds versatility. Ideal for both professionals and hobbyists, it ensures clean, consistent results every time. Laser Level Tool. The Laser Level Tool, priced at $80, is a must-have for woodworking and construction enthusiasts seeking precision. With self-leveling, manual, and pulse modes, it delivers accuracy within plus or minus 1/13 inch at 33 feet. Its ultra-bright green beam reaches up to 200 feet, perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects. Powered by a 5,200 mAh Li-ion battery, it offers up to 18 hours of continuous use. The magnetic 360-degree bracket, tripod compatibility, and IP54 rated durability make it versatile and rugged. Compact and reliable, it ensures professional-grade results every time. Wood Carving Kit. The Wood Carving Kit, priced at $38, is a fantastic starter set for anyone interested in wood carving. It includes a detail knife, chip carving knife, roughing knife, strop, polishing compound, and a convenient canvas roll for storage. Ergonomic handles provide comfort during long carving sessions, while pre-sharpened blades are ready to use immediately. Made in Ukraine, the tools showcase European quality and durability. Ideal for beginners, hobbyists, or even kids, this kit makes woodworking creative, fun, and accessible, helping you bring intricate designs to life with ease. 4-in-1 Router Jig. The 4-in-1 Router Jig, priced at $25, is a versatile and budget-friendly tool perfect for precise woodworking. Compatible with compact routers like the Bosch PR20 EVS and Makita RT0701C, it ensures stability and smooth operation. Proper installation with evenly tightened screws allows for accurate, clean cuts every time. Its sturdy construction prevents jamming and maintains consistent alignment, giving woodworkers enhanced control. Ideal for both hobbyists and professionals, this jig combines convenience, precision, and reliability, making it a must-have accessory for any workshop looking to elevate craftsmanship and efficiency. NDI Moisture Meter. The NDI Moisture Meter, priced at $60, is a must-have for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Featuring both pin-type and pinless designs, it offers flexibility for precise readings or quick surface scans. Specialized modes for softwood, hardwood, drywall, and cement boards make it versatile for any project, while the mildew index indicator adds an extra layer of safety. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use, and the angle sensor plus pinless option protects surfaces from damage. Accurate, durable, and user-friendly, this meter simplifies monitoring wood moisture levels reliably. Kreg Pocket Hole Machine. The Kreg Pocket Hole Machine, at $400, is a must-have for woodworkers aiming for speed and precision. Weighing just 20 pounds, it makes pocket hole joinery effortless. Drill, drive, and finish in no time. It produces consistent, accurate holes at twice the speed of manual jigs, while the tool-free adjustable fence guarantees perfect depth every time. Built to endure tough job sites, it suits both professionals and hobbyists. By simplifying complex joinery, this machine turns woodworking ideas into flawless results efficiently and reliably. Abrasive Burnishing Tool. The Abrasive Burnishing Tool, priced at $19, is a highly practical addition to any woodworker's toolkit. Measuring 120 mm by 100 mm, its durable nylon fibers embedded with aluminum oxide make it long-lasting and wear-resistant. Perfect for flat, curved, concave, convex, or irregular surfaces, it efficiently removes burrs, paint, stains, and finishes, speeding up polishing tasks. Compatible with wire drawing or polishing machines, it delivers smooth, even results every time. Lightweight yet robust, this tool enhances precision and saves valuable time, making finishing work easier and more reliable. Reciprocating Saw. The Reciprocating Saw, priced at $75, is a versatile and powerful tool for woodworking and beyond. Weighing just 2 pounds, it enables comfortable one-handed use, ideal for long projects. Its 200-watt brushless motor, 15mm stroke, and 8 high-quality blades handle wood, metal, and pipes with ease and precision. Dual 4.0 amp-hour batteries extend runtime, while fast charging keeps work moving. Tool-free blade changes, a built-in LED light, and a safety lock make it convenient and safe. Perfect for DIYers and professionals seeking efficiency and reliability. Miter clamps. The miter clamps, priced at $50, are a must-have for precise, professional quality miter joints. Featuring an ergonomic lever and rotating cam, their 4 hardened teeth grip wood securely, ensuring even pressure for perfect glue joints. Made from heavy-duty chrome-plated carbon steel and aluminum alloy, they're durable, rust-resistant, and built to last. Ideal for window and door casings, picture frames, and cabinet trim, these clamps simplify woodworking while maintaining accuracy. Easy to use and highly effective, they make flawless joints achievable for both hobbyists and professional craftsmen. Wagner Sprayer. The Wagner Sprayer, priced at $59, is a must-have for woodworking enthusiasts seeking flawless finishes. Its detail finish. Front-end nozzle ensures smooth, brush-free results, ideal for trim, cabinets, and furniture. Compatible with all Wagner HVLP sprayers, including FLEXIO and paint-ready models, it handles water or oil-based paints, stains, sealers, and polyurethane with ease. Featuring adjustable flow control and 3 spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and round, it allows precise application. Lightweight and easy to use, this attachment brings professional quality results to every woodworking project, making finishing faster and more efficient. NoCry 6-in-1 Industrial Chainsaw Helmet. The NoCry 6-in-1 Industrial Chainsaw Helmet, priced at $40, is a versatile safety essential for woodworking and forestry tasks. Its robust design combines a hard hat, adjustable metal mesh visor, polycarbonate face shield, and 25.9 decibels SNR earmuffs, providing comprehensive protection for head, eyes, and ears. The customizable 6-in-1 setup adapts to various jobs, while ANSI certified components guarantee safety. Comfortable enough to wear over glasses or masks, it suits both professionals and DIYers. Durable and practical, this helmet enhances safety and efficiency during chainsaw work. Brad Nailer. The Brad Nailer, priced at $110, is a reliable and versatile tool for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. Powered by DeWalt 20-volt max batteries, its brushless motor delivers durable performance with built-in overheat and overload protection. The 2-in-1 design drives 18-gauge brad nails or narrow crown staples quickly and accurately, up to 2 nails per second. Safety features like a dual switch mechanism and safety nose prevent accidents. Lightweight and ergonomic, with tool-free jam release and selectable trigger modes, this cordless brad nailer makes DIY projects and home improvement tasks efficient and precise. Proster Angle Finder. The Proster Angle Finder, priced at $30, is a dependable tool for accurate angle measurements in woodworking. Offering 0.5-degree precision, its easy-to-read LCD display ensures clear readings, while the data hold function and convenient hold button lock angles for consistent work. The built-in hanging hole adds storage practicality, and its versatile use spans trays, sloping roofs, handrails, and layout lines. With automatic shutoff and a low battery alarm, it conserves power efficiently. Compact, user-friendly, and precise, the Proster Angle Finder is an essential accessory for both DIYers and professionals. Circular Saw Guide. The Circular Saw Guide, priced at $35, is a versatile and practical tool for woodworking and light metal work. Featuring 4 preset angles, 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees, it enables precise, consistent cuts without needing multiple jigs or a miter saw. The built-in ruler with imperial and metric measurements makes marking and measuring easy for framing, crown molding, or general projects. Its large curved handle ensures a firm grip, while the durable aluminum construction and 14-inch guide rail provide stability for long, straight cuts. Ideal for accuracy and efficiency, it's a must-have. Makita Cutoff Tool. The Makita Cutoff Tool, priced at $150, is a high-performance woodworking accessory designed for precision and efficiency. Its Makita-built brushless motor delivers 20,000 RPM, enabling fast, clean cuts with minimal effort. Ergonomically designed for comfortable one-handed use, it features an easy-to-reach switch for forward and reverse operation. The adjustable depth of cut reaches up to 5/8 of an inch, and the included dust collection cutoff guard installs tool-free for convenience. Lightweight, durable, and user-friendly, this cutoff tool is ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking accuracy, speed, and reliable performance in every project. Rafter Square. The Rafter Square, priced at $50, is a versatile and durable woodworking essential. Equipped with 2 level vials and a bullseye plumbing vial, it ensures precise measurements. Its pivoting arm with a locking mechanism and 21 indexed angle presets allows accurate angle calculations, while the 10-inch heel adds stability during use. Crafted from thick aluminum and stainless steel, it's built to withstand heavy use. Functioning as a level, protractor, pitch finder, and multi-angle saw guide, this tool is perfect for framing, roofing, fencing, carpentry, and welding projects.